Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to send Bitcoin using Cash App for the very first time. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just exploring the features of Cash App, this tutorial will help you navigate the process with ease. So let's dive right in. To start, open your Cash App on your mobile device and ensure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of your screen and tap on the amount icon. This will open up a menu with various options. From here, locate and tap on the option labelled Buy Bitcoin. If you already have Bitcoin in your account, you'll see your current balance displayed at the top. If your balance is zero, you'll need to purchase some Bitcoin before you can proceed. To do this, tap on the Buy button and select the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to purchase. You can either choose from preset amounts or enter a custom value. After confirming your purchase, the Bitcoin will be added to your account and the Send Bitcoin option will become available. Tap on it to move to the next step. Now, it's time to decide how much Bitcoin you want to send. You can either specify the amount in dollars or switch to Bitcoin and enter the amount in BTC. Whichever method you choose, ensure the amount is correct, and when you're ready, tap Send. Next, you'll need to provide the recipient's details. Cash App makes this step simple and flexible. You can enter the recipient's name, cash tag, or Bitcoin address, commonly referred to as a BTC address. If you're using a Bitcoin address, paste it into the field provided to avoid any errors. Once you've entered the recipient's details, you'll be prompted to confirm the information. Review everything carefully and then tap Next to proceed. At this stage, you'll choose a sending method for your Bitcoin transaction. Cash App offers several options tailored to different needs. The Rush option processes the transaction in around 2 hours and comes with a small fee. If you're in a hurry, you might prefer the Priority option, which is faster but slightly more expensive. For those who don't mind waiting, there's the Standard option, which takes up to 24 hours and is free of charge. Select the method that best suits your requirements. After choosing your sending method, take a moment to review all the transaction details. This includes the amount, recipient information, and the sending speed you selected. Once everything looks good, tap Done to confirm and complete the transaction. Based on the speed you chose, your Bitcoin will be sent to the recipient accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully sent Bitcoin using Cash App. Thank you for watching.